So let me speak to you honestly. Forex trading is not about luck. It's not about guessing, and it's not about making money every single day. Forex is about learning one simple skill and repeating it with discipline. So if you are a beginner, or someone who keeps losing, or someone who's confused by indicators and strategies, relax. This video is meant for you. So today I will explain from zero, step by step, in a simple way, what is Forex trading, how to choose a broker, how currencies works, how to read candles like a pro. I will give you a simple 2026 strategy that anyone can follow. So this is your friend Mosewa Mkota, and if you are new here, this is MPIC Trading, where we talk about indicators, Forex trading, brokers, time frames, and strategies to win in your Forex trading journey. So if you haven't subscribed, please go on and do so that you cannot miss our future uploads. So stay with me till the end. This is not a rush knowledge. Most people pay thousands of dollars to learn this course, but I'm giving you for free. So relax. Take your popcorns and tea. So let's get started. So Forex trading simply means buying one currency and selling another currency to make a profit. So that is it. Very simple. For example, if you buy EUR/USD and you believe that euro will become stronger than a dollar. So if the price goes up, you make a profit. And if the price goes down, you lose your money. That is Forex trading. Forex trading is the largest financial market in the world, and AI won't replace Forex trading. People trade currencies every day. Banks, governments, and individuals like me and you. Forex trading is open 24 hours per day, 5 days a week, and there's no boss, no office, just your discipline. So let's talk a little bit about brokers. So, Mose, who are brokers? Now, a broker is a company that connects you to the Forex market. Think a broker like an agent. For example, if I want to do a trade and I have 1,000 shillings, which is about $10. So these brokers are the people that will hold my money, and they are the ones that will allow me to buy or sell a currency that I have decided to trade upon. Now these brokers or agents are the ones that will give you charts. So what to look for as a beginner? Number one, you need to look for those brokers that are regulated. They have low minimum deposits and easy to use apps. And you should also consider fast deposits and fast withdrawals. And finally, a good customer support. For example, if you are stuck in any process, you can quickly reach them and they can reply to you. So those are the key points that you should look as a beginner for the best brokers. Now we have a couple of brokers. We have FX Pro Direct, we have Pocket Broker, FPS, MetaTrader 5, and Webull. Important rule: never trade with the money you can't afford to lose. Now the best part with all of these broker accounts, they give you $10,000 in your demo account, which gives you a good playground to practice your strategies before you execute a real trade. So once you have known these brokers, let's talk a little bit about currency pairs. As a beginner, choosing the right currency pair can make a difference, and currencies are traded in pairs. For example, EUR/USD, GBP/USD, USD/JPY. So the first currency is the one that you buy or sell. For example, in EUR/USD. EUR is our first currency, so this is where you buy or you sell. And the second currency is what you use to pay. For example, in our EUR/USD. Now USD is the one that will be paying to buy our EUR. Now here is the simple rule. When price goes up, buyers are winning. But when price goes down, it means that sellers are winning. As a beginner, focus only on one or two currency pairs. Too many pairs is equal to confusions. Pairs such as EUR/USD is the most traded currency pairs. And it is extremely liquid, meaning high trading volume, and is a good starting point for a beginner. You can also trade on US dollar versus Japanese yen. It has relatively low volatility and more stable, which makes it easy to predict. You can also trade on GBP/USD, fairly liquid, predictable trends based on US and UK economic news. I think up to now you know the currency pairs that you can trade on in 2026 as a beginner. Now let's talk a little bit about reading candlesticks like a pro. Sometimes I always get a lot of questions in my DM. Most people get confused when it comes to reading candlesticks. But here is a simple rule that I'm going to give it to you. Now rule number 1. Candlestick shows price movements, and each candlestick tells a story. For example, a green candlestick tells a story that buyers are strong, and a red candlestick shows that sellers are strong. And a candle has got open, close, high and low. So those are the components of a candle. Now ignore fancy names and focus on when you see a big candle represents strong move. When you see a small candle, it represents weak move. And when you see a long wick, it is equal to rejections. Price action is about behavior, not memorizing names. Risk management is very important. Let me be very clear here. You may have the best strategy, but without risk management, you will still lose. Now here is a simple beginner's rule. Risk 1% or less per trade. Always use stop losses and never revenge a trade. Losses are normal, but blown accounts are not. And remember, risk management is what keeps you long in the game to win. So Mose, up to this point, I think I've gotten something. So let's jump into another topic. What are indicators? So sometimes you may see gurus for Forex trading talking about indicators. Indicators are helpers, not magic. As a beginner, I recommend you to use few indicators. And the best indicators for beginners are RSI and moving averages or MA. And here is the simple rule. Indicators confirm, they don't decide. So if the price and structure don't agree, indicators won't save you. Clean charts, clear mind. So let me give you a simple rule that you can follow in 2026. Number 1, you should consider time frame. Choose a time frame from 4 hours to a day, and then enter a trade within that specific hour that you have analyzed your markets. On the direction market, higher highs and higher lows indicates buy only. Lower highs and lower lows indicates sell only. And note this, if the direction is unclear, don't trade. Wait for a pullback. Never chase price. Pullback shows confirmation. Enter a trade when you only see a strong candle, rejection, break and retests. No confirmation, no trend. So if this video helped you, subscribe, like and share to those people who want to start Forex trading in 2026. Till the next time, God bless you. Bye.